Hello students, Assalamualaikum. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine at home. I'm fine to hear, Alhamdulillah. So, before we start our lesson, prepare your books and your pen. Don't forget to pray before we start our lesson. So, today's topic is asking and giving direction. Lesson 6. Let's get started. Preposition of place. So, kalau kita ingin asking and giving direction, we have to know about preposition of place. Why? Because preposition of place is to show a location. Jadi, preposition of place untuk menunjukkan suatu lokasi. Look at the B. Perhatikan huruf B. Between. Di antara. B di antara A dan C. B is between A and C. Next to. B di sebelah A. B is next to A. On the corner of. B ada di sudut jalan. B is on the corner of the street. Across from. Di seberang. B ada di seberang A. B is across from A. Behind. Di belakang. B berada di belakang A. B is behind A. Direction. Direction is arah. Jadi direction itu adalah arah. First, cross. Menyeberang. Cross. Turn left. Belok kiri. Turn left. Turn right. Belok kanan. Turn right. Go past. Melewati. Go past. Go straight ahead. Lurus. Go straight ahead. Where is the box? It's around the corner. Where is the box? It's across the street. Where is the box? It's down the street. Where is the box? It's between the King Street and South Place. Where is the box? It's on the corner of Smith Street and Mark Street. Where's the box? It's on the left side of the street. Where is the box? It's on the right side of the street. Conversation about asking and giving direction. Look, it's a map. And it's Mr. John. Mr. John wants to go to the mall. So he asked,
How can I get to the mall?
Bagaimana caranya aku sampai ke mall?
How can I get to the mall?
You go straight on the main street and then turn right. It's next to the post office.
Go straight on the main street and then turn right. It's next to the post office. It's Mr. Budi. Mr. Budi wants to go to the hotel. So he asked,
How do I get to the hotel?
You go straight on the main street and then turn left. It's across to the gas station.
Go straight on the main street and then turn left. It's across to the gas station. It's Andy. Andy wants to go to the subway station. So he asked,
Could you tell me how to get to the subway station?
Dapatkah kamu memberitahu bagaimana caranya sampai ke subway station?
Could you tell me how to get to the subway station?
Go to the corner and turn right, and then go straight ahead on the main street. It's on the right side of the street.
Go to the corner and then turn right. Go straight ahead on the main street. It's on the right side of the street. Exercise. Look at the map. Example. Where is the bank? It's next to the shop. Where is the bank? It's next to the shop. How do I get to the office from my house? Go to the Tulip Street and then go straight ahead. It's across to the shop. How do I get to the office from my house? Go to the Tulip Street and then go straight ahead. It's across to the shop. Exercise. So, do this exercise on your book and submit at Google Classroom. So, kamu kerjakan exercise ini di bukumu berdasarkan map atau peta yang ada di video ini. Kamu bisa pause video ini atau kamu bisa lihat di gambar yang nanti Miss kirim. Oke? Exercise 2. Cardinal direction. Cardinal direction adalah arah mata angin. So, look at your book, page 61, and fill in the box. Jadi, lihat di buku, lalu isilah kotak-kotak yang kosong. Do the exercise 2 on your book, and submit at Google Classroom. Thank you for today. Don't forget to submit your assignment at Google Classroom. See you on the next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.